Hi and welcome! When learning a new programming language, many of us stumble across interesting yet unknown features that we have not met before. This is especially true with modern programming languages. Consider this example. What does it mean? No context is given, nothing else is explained, just a single line of code. Is it an object calling a function? Well, it can be. This is probably the most common thing that comes to your mind. Let's remove the parentheses as well. What does it mean now? It looks a little bit confusing, right? Well, take a look at this example. The first line is simple. It initializes an array. What's with the second line? Let's rewrite it this way. Now it can be easily seen that these are all functions with a single argument. When we chain functions like this, as in the previous example, it is called uniform function call syntax. It enables the member function syntax even for ordinary functions. This feature is extremely useful when chaining complex function calls, allowing you to write the code the way you think. In this example, I wanted my array sorted, then all elements squared and printed to the terminal window. It is not necessary to use parentheses in D. As a result, the code looks cleaner and more manageable. Let's end the video by rewriting the Hello World program in the uniform function call style. Alright, that's it. Have a nice day.